Now, before I go to in detail what happened to our markets in last 1 week, let me share a very interesting data point with you. Last 2 years, 2024, 2025, 2026, 14th August closings are very important. 24 400, 24 600, 24 300. So virtually we have been absolutely flat from last 24 months. This is the longest period where Nifty has given a negative return. Remember, the barometer always has been 17, 18 months. Whenever Nifty goes negative for 18 months, you see a sharp recovery coming in. But the problem is very clearly now faced, because we can see it's not a question of 18 months, it is 24 months now that Nifty is facing considerable problem. Not only it has given a negative return, it has remained flat. It has been struggling. We have not been able to touch even 25,000, forget about crossing it. At the same time, we have been holding very well now, 23,800, 24,000 mark. So the consolidation continues, and that is what is the bottom line for the markets. But there is a surprise in this last 2 years, which I just mentioned, 14th August 2024 to 14th August 2026. And the surprise element is Nifty mid cap and Nifty small cap. These are the markets which have been doing very good for themselves. Remember, Iran war lows, 27th February, Nifty mid cap was 52,000, small cap was 14,000. Today they have closed at 63,782, which means Nifty mid cap 100, as we put it, hasn't hit an all-time high. Nifty small cap is 18,278, which means yes, it is still away from all-time highs, but it has shown a considerable jump. So if you have been focusing on index, you have not made any single rupee return from last 2 years. But if you have been focusing on stocks and you have been lucky enough, then mid cap and small cap index has been rewarding you. So our going forward scenario still remains the same. You have to focus more and more on individual stocks rather than being dependent on Nifty, because the ruling is very clear. In fact, I don't know how many of you missed or you remember the Iran statement that if needed, we will negotiate post-Trump, that is post 2029. Now, in that scenario, crude will remain on elevated levels for more than 1-2 years. That is not a very good sign for Indian markets. Indian markets may need more consolidation before they start making an up move. So more and more you have to be stock specific, sector specific, and the moves that you want to enjoy or will help you make money will come through the stocks. It will not be based index based. So let's see two things just to revise. One, time has come in our Nifty favor, because Nifty, as I said, 24 months negative returns. At the same time, crude chances are very high it will remain at elevated levels. So maybe consolidation may continue. So we have to be more and more on stocks and sector specific.